Get him. Get him.
I'll hold you. Okay, you have to come here and then I'll hold you. I'll hold you.
Put, get your arms out. There you go.
Brooke,
Knees
I'll
up.
hold
Knees
you.
up.
Brookie, I'll hold you.
Knees up and reach.
Dad, about here.
Good.
Right here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Brookie, come here. Almost there. Come on. Do it.
Put your arm in front of you. Good job. Good job. Now, inch. Good. Ah, awesome.
Yeah, you touched me. Now it's holding time. Holding time. Holding. Hi.
Turn her this way.
What?
There you go.
Let's go to Daddy. Say hi. Hi. Go. Let's go here. Scare him. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Say ah.
Ah!
Okay, let's drop you on the bed. Boom. Lift you up. Turn. There. All comfortable? Yeah? Then push.
Careful.
There.